So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raven. For those of you who do not know, I am just here documenting my Amazon FBA journey with you, and I have received a lot of questions on how to ship off an FBM order. It's very simple, so this will be a quick video today, but I'm just going to show you for all the people who have been in my DMs asking me how to do so. So I have one order today. I haven't done any restocking on any of my wedding products, so really only have one order today. They bought both of the units that I had listed, but it can fit in like one package. So basically what I'm gonna show you is what your Amazon seller account would look like when you do get your first orders in. Okay, so basically this is what your screen should look like. And no, I'm not gonna show you guys my products just because this is my winning product. So it should show you the order number, basically how many units of what the person ordered, and then it'll show you the due date on when it needs to be shipped out. Click buy shipping. So this is what you should see essentially. So what you'll put here, as you can see, is going to be the packaging. So it's going to be the dimensions of the package. For this package specifically, this is an 8x5x11. And then for the, this is length, this is width, and then for the height, I just put 1 inch because this is just a poly mailer. And then, so you're gonna put 8.5, and then you're gonna move to width, which is 11, and then you're gonna move to height, which is 1 inch, and then you're just gonna hit apply. So as you can see, all 6 of my items did fit in here. So you just package up your item like this, and then if you have a scale, I recommend that you do have a scale, but if you do have a scale, just go ahead and place it on there, and then this is what y'all see. They round it too to the nearest like pound. So I'm just gonna put 1 for my weight. So I always do the cheapest shipping cost. As you can see, it's $6.89. So that will be deducted from my profits, but this one always makes me a high profit. I think this alone got me like 30 something dollars. So it really be like, so my profit will be like what, 24 or whatever, some change just off of this. So I'm gonna click buy shipping right here. Have your printer connected to your computer as I do here, and then you'll just go ahead and print off your labels, and you'll go ahead and print here. That is it for shipping off an FBM order. You need to know what your settings are. I already made a video on that because a lot of you kept asking me about that too as well. So there's a previous video that I made just for your FBM settings if you are shipping off your own orders. If you guys do want my ungated list, I will have the link in my description down below for you to have that if you're still struggling with finding products that are ungated for beginners. It is really for storefront stocking to help you guys do that, because that's how I find my products. And then other than that, if you have any questions, just leave them down below. I will see y'all in my next video, and thank y'all for watching.